Hey, JC, is the stuff done yet? Yeah, they're just doing communion in the last thing. Okay, class dismissed, but wait. I'm going first, then I'll call your names, and you'll go by the order I call your names.
Because I always get trampled. Whoops, knocked down the door. No problem, I'll fix it. There we go.
Okay, JZ. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Second out.
I bet you can't beat that. Siblings. Yes. Woo!
Okay. Wait for me. Wait for me. I'm coming. I love my green shirt.
How about Lil Jimmy?
Woohoo! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Bonus!
Oh yeah! Bet you guys can't beat that. Wait, you can't, cause I was in this place. Okay. Steven. Oh yeah. Bye bye, girls.
Get your other hand there to hold.
Bye bye.
Oh, we're the last ones.
Ruth. Yes.
Oh, you're the last one.
Bethany. Sweetie, come on.
Alright. From outside.
Ow. Okay, now we have to stay back here because the pastor is still speaking. And everybody says, Amen.
Church dismissed.
Wait, we need to sing a communion song.